Hi, I'm Dan Schoolin with Renishaw. Thanks for coming over and talking today. We're here at the Discover Mazak event, as you can tell. So what Renishaw provides in cooperation with Mazak is integrated metrology solutions. So we help machines actually be more efficient at producing parts. So we do that through establishing the calibration and the capability of a machine using various metrology devices, ball bars, lasers, and the such. And then we incorporate probing systems on the machine that are used to help the machine automatically set up, do closed loop process control to manage variations in material and tool and workforce. And then we also do final inspection. So by looking at a process in a pyramid, we start with the foundation, calibration of the machine, and then incorporate probing technology such as what you're seeing on here. This is a laser-based tool setting system on the display where we can dynamically set the length and diameter of a tool while it's cutting. So the process itself, by introducing these probing systems, then when we do our cutting, we know where the tool is in space, we know what diameter and length it is. Then we can incorporate technologies such as a scanning probe. This is new technology that allows us to measure on the machine, collecting a high density of data. We can measure parts for their, not only for size and location, but for their form directly on the machine. Many people use a coordinate measurement machine to check parts after the fact. What we do is try to build the metrology directly into the machine. In our own manufacturing, we use Mazak equipment, and that Mazak equipment is equipped with Renishaw technology that allows that machine to actually not only produce a good part, but verify the part directly on the machine. So capability assessment, make sure the machine is capable to start, automate the setup, where the workpiece and the tools are in space, closed loop control to control for variations, stock, tool wear, temperature changes, and then final inspection. All can be done directly on the Mazak machine using Renishaw technology. So that's what we're here to show you. And many of the machines here at the event today are equipped with Renishaw technology. So if we can assist you anymore, glad to help you out. So as you know, in industry right now, it's very difficult to find trained people. In the manufacturing world, you have people retiring. You have people with a lot of skill who are retiring out. COVID has actually forced that quite a bit more because people took a little bit of time off and realized, oh, they could stay home. So if somebody's just getting into this right now, you have to equip your shop in such a way that the machinery can be run with people with less skill than was required before. The availability of skilled operators and skilled engineers for the sophisticated type of equipment that's available here at Mazak is very difficult to find. So when you're looking at equipment, equipping that machine with its own intelligence, with a way to actually automate the setup, to automate the inspection and make sure the machine can handle a lot of those tasks by itself, will allow you to bring in people that can actually run this equipment with a lot lower skill set than what was required traditionally. So it's really important, especially for somebody just starting out. And Mazak and Renishaw working together have the people and expertise to help train, bring you up to speed, put the appropriate equipment in. Don't need to overdo it, just the right amount of technology to suit what your needs are and get you up and running accordingly.